I have this new Artistro watercolor set from the company. They sent it to me to try out. I have a lot of other products from Artistro that we love. We use the acrylic paint markers all the time for so many different projects. I also have other paint sets from them and they work so well. This one has 50 different colors in it and they are super vibrant. And all my other paint sets have black cases, so I'm really excited about this. This is the mint color. It's a tin, and it also comes with a set of different size paintbrushes, and these ones feel really nice. This set is very compact, but it has those 50 colors in it, which is really nice. This is super easy to travel with if you want to paint while you're traveling. Go outside with it, put it in your bag, take it to a class. It is so compact and handy. Everything has its place, so it's not going to be falling around. You have your water brush, a detail paintbrush, even a pencil, sharpener, eraser, and a sponge. And then this little paper has some tips and techniques for you. You have your color tester page and a mixing palette. And then here are all of these really pretty colors, less mixing and just a lot more color options. You even have silver and fluorescence, so many options, and I just love this cute little case. I'm going to be taking this with me everywhere. It's going to make me want to paint even more.